This is how to make a short go viral.
In this video, I'll be sharing the 5 methods that made all my shorts go viral. Let's dive in.
Number 1, making use of animation and AI. Using animation or AI-driven content is a game changer for all content. Most of my viral shots are made with AI, which include animation, anime, and many more. Number 2, incorporate engaging sound or making use of sound.
Sounds play a crucial role in making your shorts go viral.
They capture attention and enhance the viewer experience. For example, nutshell.
Ashley, look at me.
This is the video they use and this is the sound that they use. And now they have 8.7 million subscribers. Another example is Obimas.
Why aren't you at school? I am your school, just call me.
That is a channel based on only shots. They use both animation and sound together to make their channel. And they have 600,000 subscribers.
But what if your niche isn't animation? No worries, you can still use sounds to boost your videos.
For instance, CCM's TV. She focuses on cooking and also uses sound effectively, and she has 1.02 million subscribers. Another example is Zelios Foods.
If you know, you know.
She's also in the cooking niche and also uses sound to engage her audience. So that her content is in gaming, beauty, fashion, tech, gadgets, fitness, health, food, cooking, travel, or adventures, or many more. Using the right sound can help your content to go viral. Number 3, posting at the right time.
Timing is everything when it comes to posting on YouTube. Here's a quick guide.
Weekdays, post from Monday to Friday. The best time to post on Monday to Friday between 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. lunch break. Evening time between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. because that's after work or school. Weekends, Saturday or Sunday, it's between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Early afternoon between 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. But the best day to post are Thursday and Friday, as people are looking forward to the weekend. And don't forget consistency. Don't forget consistency. Consistency is key. Posting regularly helps build your audience and increase engagement. Number 4, using the right hashtag. The right hashtag is the key to make your video discoverable. If you are posting cooking content, using hashtag cooking is correct, not hashtag travel or hashtag funny. If you are posting travel or adventure or vlog, the hashtag should be hashtag travel, hashtag vlog, not hashtag cooking or hashtag viral or hashtag funny. Also, create a special hashtag for your channel. Remember Davido's wedding? He used the special hashtag, which is Chivido 2024.
Something unique that people can easily remember, that is using special hashtags. And how do you make use of the special hashtag?
How do you create a special hashtag? That is by creating it yourself. And how do you do it? You write hashtag, your name or whatever you want to use. Number 5, write a script for every video. A good script is essential. It helps you stay organized and avoid repetition. Even if your camera quality isn't the best, as long as you're offering value and you are knowing what you are saying, people will watch. And script writing takes a lot of research, not just set your camera and just come to the screen and just start blah 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 blah. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any question. I'm Bolu of Lagos.